Hey creators, today on Pixinshop channel, you're exploring the stunning shatter effect in After Effects. Learn how to break any object into particles and unleash your creativity. So we are back in the interface of Adobe After Effects. Firstly, import the object or text you want to shatter. Then right click it, click on Precom and name it anything you want and click OK. Now go to Effects and Preset and search for Shatter Effect. And if you don't find the Effects and Preset panel, just go to Windows, you can activate from here. Then go to Effects and Preset and type Shatter and just drag and drop that effect to your timeline. Now expand Shatter. Now change the view to Render. Now expand Shape and change the view to Glass. Now bring your time indicator starting. Now create a solid layer. For that, right click, click on New, click on Solid. Now change the color to white and name it as Mask. And hit enter on your keyboard. And now click on the mask layer and turn off for a while. Now we zoom in a little bit. Now select the pen tool and mask the area which you want to shatter. So select the pen tool and we'll mark the area and close the mask. Now select the main layer. Now expand the gradient and change the gradient layer from none to mask 1 and change the source to effect and mask and change the threshold to 1%. And now if you play the video, the area which you have marked out, only that part will shatter. And if you want, you can also adjust the mask anytime and change the repetitions to around 50 and now adjust the origin of it. Now adjust the thickness by using extrusion depth. We'll set it to 0.05 and now we'll play with the physics of it. We will unexpand all the properties. Now expand the physics. Now change the rotation speed to around 0.30 and tumble axis from free to XZ. Randomness to 0.2. Velocity to 0.50. This is used for the smooth motion effect. And if you don't want the gravity, set it to 0. So we'll set it to 0 and hit enter on your keyboard. And now we'll take a look on the video. By adding keyframes in the radius, you can break it anytime you want. So we unexpand physics and expand the force one and bring a time indicator to around 1.5 seconds. And we'll start the animation of the radius and bring your time indicator at starting and change the value to 0. Now select the layer and press U to reveal the keyframes and now place that keyframe where you want the shatter effect. So we'll select this and move it a little forward. Now copy that layer to create a small fragment particles. Just press Ctrl D on your keyboard. Now select the duplicate layer and expand shape and change the repetitions to around 180 and extrusion depth to 0. Now expand physics and change the randomness to around 0.30 and velocity to 0.45. The lower your velocity, the higher the particle will go and vice versa. Now expand the force one and change the strength to 4 and it's done. If you want to change the orbit of it and make it 3-dimensional, you can also do it. Firstly, unexpand all the properties. Now right click, new and click on camera. Go with the default settings and click OK. Now place your camera above all the layers. Now select the comp layer and change the camera setting to comp camera. Do it with both the layers. Now select this tool and change the orbit of it and it's done. Now if you play this video, you can see it will take some time to render, depends on your PC processor. And here you can see the amazing shattering effect. You can draw mask anytime and break any part which you want. Select the mask layer and select the pen tool and we draw mask here. And now if you play this video, you can see the mask we have created, that part also gets shattered. So thanks for joining in, and if you like this tutorial, hit a like button, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips. And if you want to learn text animation and motion graphics, the link is here, you can check it out. So I'll see you in the next tutorial and keep creating and make your amazing facts.